Hello guys, very good evening. And today we are going to start with the topics in the manual testing. So before starting the manual testing, as I said in my introduction class, you should know what is software and what is software testing. Then only you can go further in my topics in the software in the manual testing topics. Okay. So first let us know today we are going to discuss with two questions. Okay, that is what is software and what are the different types of software with some examples. Okay, so let us see first for the first question. What is software? Software is a collection of programs, okay, that enables the hardware to perform a specific task. All the programs that run the computer are software. Okay, so some task will be performed in the software. It enables the hardware to perform specific task. Hardware in the sense, for example, if you buy a system, in the system your keyboard will be connected, your mouse will be connected, your CPU will be connected. Okay, so these are the hardwares, but it will perform certain task in the with the system. Okay, in the keyboard you will type something, in the mouse by using the mouse you will click some applications. Okay, it will run the program with the help of the CPU. How the system will get to know that something has been uh, received, something has been uh, given to the some instructions has been given to the CPU, and it will receive the data and it will fetch the data to the system. So these tasks, how it will perform these tasks by software. Without the help of software it cannot perform any kind of task. Okay, in simple word I can say that a software is a collection of program that helps to perform certain task. Okay, so I repeat again, software is a collection of computer program that helps user to that helps us to perform a task. Okay, so this is what I think you're clear about this. What is software? Okay, there are different types of softwares, but basically you should know with the system what are the softwares will be connected. So there are three different types of software. Mainly there are different types of software. One is system software, second programming software, and third is application software. So first let us look into the system software. System, what is the work of the system software? It runs the computer. Okay, it runs the computer. It means the system software is the main software that runs the computer when you turn on the computer. Okay, when you turn on the computer, it runs certain software. It activates the hardware and controls and coordinate their functioning. Okay, so if you switch on the system, your keyboard will be get activated, your CPU will be get activated, and your mouse will be get activated. Without these hardwares you cannot perform any task in the system. So it activates all the hardware and control and coordinate the functioning. It coordinate between the, if the keyboard, if you want to type something, the keyboard will coordinate with the system. If you want to click something, the mouse will coordinate with the help of the software. It will coordinate with the system. Okay, this is what happens in the system software. Okay, the application program also controlled by the system software. An operating system is an example of system. Operating system, I can give many examples for system software: device drivers, operating system, servers, etc. So in operating systems means we will be having Windows, Linux, Macs, etc. Okay, so what is operating system? An operating system is the system software that works as an interface to enable the user to communicate with the computer. Okay, it manages and coordinates the functioning of hardware and software of the computer. The commonly used operating system are Microsoft Windows and Linux and Apple Mac OS X, etc. Okay, so this is the definition for operating system. And if you want to know about device driver, okay, device driver, it is this system software controls hardware device connected to a computer. It enables the computer to use the hardware by providing an appropriate interface. Okay, So the CPU communicate with different hardware. For example, I can say the CPU, it communicates with different hardware through this software. Operating system generally come with most of the device drivers. Okay, if the operating system does not have device driver for the hardware, you have to install the device driver. So for the operating system, mainly device driver is very important. Okay, so then only it can like it can interact with the operating systems. Without driver it cannot operate, it cannot communicate with the operating system. Okay, likewise there are some other examples: assembler, utilities, etc. Utilities means if we write some text on document, the computer can recognize it. That is utilities. Okay, next we will go on to the programming software. What is programming software? Programming software, it is a set or collection of tools that help developers in writing other software or programs. Okay, programming software, it is mainly developed by the developers. Okay, because they will write the program by using some programming language. They will write the code to develop the software. So that is known as programming software. In other words, I can say briefly, if you want me to explain this, I can say like this: it is a set or collection of tools, okay, that helps developers in writing other software programs, and it assists them in creating, debugging, and maintaining software or program or application. We can say that these are facilitator software that helps translate programming languages such as Java, C++, Python, etc. into machine language code. Okay, so it is not used by end users. Okay, it here this programming software we don't use. It is used by the developers because the programming language is not known to the end users. Do the customers, do the users will know what is Java, how the Java language will be there, how the Python language will be there? No. So these codes will be known to the developers. So it is mainly uh, developed by the developers. There are some example like Notepad, compiler, Sublime, text, etc. So for example, I can say Notepad means it is an open source editor for Windows. For Windows, they will use Notepad. Okay, you will write the you will while in the system there will be an inbuilt feature like Notepad. Okay, it is developed by the developers by using this programming software. In Notepad we will write some notes, important notes, and we will, if you in the demo sessions and all, we will use this Notepad in the system. Okay, that is known as Notepad compilers. And what is compilers? It compiles the code. Okay, it compiles and compresses the codes. Okay, then what is like for example, some interpreters also known as a programming software. Interpreters means to execute the program as input and getting the output, that is interpreters. Okay, so there are many. Sublime means it is a cross platform code editor for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Okay, it is a cross platform, it is a platform for the code which is written by the developer, for which the code will be written by the developer for Linux, Mac, and Windows. For these kind of systems, the developers will write the code, okay, to function these systems. Next, finally, we are going to look into the application software. What is application software, guys? It is a set of program designed to perform a specific task. So application software is the last software. In this, the programs will be designed to perform specific tasks. For example, word processor, spreadsheet, calculator, etc. It is used by the end users, guys, because in the system we will install the Word, MS Word, MS Excel, calculators. All these applications will be present in the system. How it will be presented? If we install, it will get installed. How it happens? Because of this application software. Without this application software, we can't install this local local software. Okay, then Application software is a set of programs designed to perform a specific task. It does not control the working of a computer as it designed for the end users. So here there is no end user, the end users only. Okay, in a simple language, end users can use. And as a computer can run without application software. Okay, without internet, you can run the applications. See, if you want to type anything in MS Word or MS Excel, do you need any internet connection? Nothing is required. Okay, so it is an what to say? There is no control for this application software. Okay, you can any end users can use this application software without internet connection. Okay, application software can be easily installed or uninstalled as required because nowadays all are using this system like laptop system, mobile, everything. Okay, nowadays in mobile also we can install these applications like MS Word, MS Excel, etc. Okay, if you want we can install, if you don't want we can uninstall. Okay, it is very easy to use. Okay, it can be single program or a collection of small program. Microsoft Office Suite, Adobe Photoshop, or any other software skill like payroll software or income tax software or application software. As we know, they are designed to perform specific tasks. So in MS Word, you can type any letters in a Word format. Okay, you can make the alignments. You can change the font size. You can change it in bold, italics, underline. All these things will be present in the MS Word application. Okay, if you take an example as a spreadsheet, that is MS Excel, you can do calculations in the MS Excel sheet. You will be having symbols, you will be having formulas, all those things will be present in the spreadsheet. Okay, if you want to do any calculations, you can use the calculator. Okay, so it is very user friendly, this application software. Okay, so these are the types of software which is used for that these are these types of software which is very much important for an system. Okay, okay guys, I hope so you are clear with this topic. Okay, if you have any doubts you can comment me in the comment box. Today this is the topic I am covering, and tomorrow we'll continue with the next topic. Okay, I hope so this video will be very much useful to you for the freshers or for the non-IT people. But non-IT people also know these basic things, okay? Because they use nowadays software system is used by everyone. So system, mobile, all are using laptops. Everything is used by all the users. So it is just an introduction about the software. Okay, so I'm just giving a small idea and some tips for about the software. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching my video. So let me continue tomorrow. Okay guys, thank you, bye.